Peter Pan. Chapter 6. The Jolly Roger. There is a yellow moon in the night sky. The Folly Roger is in the bay near Kidd's Creek. The children are on the pirate ship. They are prisoners of Captain Hook and his cruel pirates. Captain Hook looks at them and says, "This time it's Peter Pan or me." "You idiots! Peter Pan can't save you now." Hook laughs and then calls Smee. "Smee, get the plank ready." "Yes, sir," says Smee. "Now listen to me," says Hook. "You must all walk the plank." "Walk the plank?" asks John. "Yes. First you walk the plank and then you fall into the sea with the crocodile. It will eat you." "Ha, ha," laughs Hook. "But I can save two of you. I want two young pirates." "Who wants to be a pirate?" The lost boys look at John. John looks at Michael and says, "The life of a pirate is exciting. I don't want to walk the plank. I don't want to be food for the crocodile. Let's be pirates." Michael looks at his brother. Then they look at Wendy. She doesn't like their idea. Captain Hook laughs and moves his hook in front of their faces. "Do you want to be pirates, yes or no?" he asks. John and Michael say, "Never." Captain Hook is angry and says, "Then you must walk the plank and die." Wendy is afraid. She loves her brothers and the lost boys. She has tears in her eyes. The boys stand near the plank and Wendy watches them. A pirate asks, "Who is the first to walk the plank?" At that moment there is a loud noise. Tick. Tock. Tick. Tock. Captain Hook's face is white. He says, "The crocodile is here. He wants me." He runs to his cabin and hides there. "Who is the first to walk the plank?" asks a pirate. "Come on. Let's go. The crocodile is hungry." Suddenly Peter Pan appears on the pirate ship. Tinker Bell follows him. Wendy and the boys cheer. They are very happy to see their young hero. Hook and his pirates are furious. Hook takes his sword and says, "I want to fight you, Pan. Tonight you will die." Hook fights with his long sword and with his hook. Peter fights courageously. He pushes Hook to the back of the ship. It is a terrible fight. John, Michael, and the lost boys fight the pirates. After a long fight, they throw the pirates into the sea. Peter and Hook move all around the big ship. Their swords make a loud noise. Suddenly Peter takes Hook's sword and pushes him into the sea. Hook shouts, "Oh!" He falls into the sea and into the mouth of the hungry crocodile. "Oh, Peter, we are proud of you," says Wendy. She kisses him on the cheek. The boys cheer. Peter smiles and says, "The Jolly Roger is ours now. Let's go home."